It's getting really dark, you guys. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Only I would try to find something that I could do for like 1/4 of the cost, with a very, very high possibility that I could screw it up. Like very high. Like I'm scared. I'm actually, how much time do I have left? Oh my god, I still have 3 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. I'm trying it for the first time right now with you guys. So if it doesn't turn out, honestly, let's just think positively. So I'm going on a trip and I plan to vlog it, so stay tuned for that. But I've been looking everywhere to get my eyebrows done, and of course I can't find anywhere. So then I was like, maybe I'll just try on my own. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have nothing on my eyebrows. I will zoom you guys in just a minute. What I'm going to attempt though is I'm going to attempt to tint it with Just for Men mustache and beard. As I'm saying it out loud, I'm like, what am I doing? I'm nervous. Just for Men, I got the shade M35, which is also medium brown. Of course, also I would wear a white sweatshirt with this. What it comes with is a little, which obviously I'm not going to use that, but I'll use the end to mix. It comes with some gloves. It comes with a tray and base color and the color developer. So I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush in 12. So what I'm going to do is, because on the bottoms I do have a lot of blonde hair, and I don't want to accidentally dye them and then it just be a huge mess. So I'm going to put some Vaseline on those areas. I'm putting the Vaseline to sort of be a barrier so that once I rub off the tint, it won't be like all down here anywhere I don't want it to be. It'll just nicely rub off. I don't know, you guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to put some of this on my finger. Also, don't mind this. My skin is so dry along the bottoms of the eyebrow. And then I have a lot of blonde hair up here. So places that I don't want the dye, I'm just pretty much outlining the brow. And to brush the hairs up. I guess I'm just gonna take, you're supposed to take equal amounts. Because I don't know what possessed me to do this, but I've just felt like if this works, you know how much time and money you can save? What I'm gonna do is like a line, I guess. Cool thing about this is if it does work, if it works, these have lids on them, so they would technically last you a long time. I don't need that much. I don't know. I'm gonna go with that. I'm at this moment right now where I'm like, what the hell am I doing? So it looks fairly light. Maybe that will set once it starts processing. That's what it looks like. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm getting to start. By the way, it takes 5 minutes for it to process. So I'm pretty much gonna basically fill it as if I'm filling it with like a brow product, right? I'm also gonna start near the tail because I like that part normally darker when I do my brows. Just gonna go ahead and start on the other brow because I don't want one to be processed too much. And then I feel like once it starts drying a little bit, I'll be able to go and tell where I messed up. They said to use the Just for Men beard. If you're like, why the hell am I using that? It's because it's meant for the face. It's meant for a man's mustache, so it's safe. And I know if you go in with like actual hair dye, you risk the chance of like singeing your hairs, which obviously would cause hair loss. We don't want to end this. Oh my god, I just had this big fear that what if I end this video and I go to wipe it away and all my eyebrow hair is gone. Kind of doing just like hair-like strokes near the front here. Extending the tail. Well, like I've already gotten that much and I still have a lot, so you really don't need too much. I'm gonna have to like screenshot a photo because I suck at YouTube and I didn't even take it before. And I feel like I should stop because now I'm playing. Okay, I'm gonna start the 5-minute timer. Of course it's not opening. Oh my god, my phone's not opening. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay, 5 minutes has started. I feel like they're as even as I could have gotten them. It's like, it's getting really dark, you guys. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Okay, it's fine. It's fine, right? Just eyebrows. People get them tinted all the time, but they just don't do it at home for freaking like 10, 12 bucks, whatever the hell this costs. Only I would try to find something that I could do for like 1/4 of the cost with a very, very high possibility that I could screw it up. Like very high. Like I'm scared. I'm actually, how much time do I have left? Oh my god, I still have 3 minutes. They're getting so dark. I don't know how people do this kind of stuff for the first time and they're not freaking out. Like, I'm like looking at this box like, is that the right color? Why does it look so dark? I hope the Vaseline worked. What is going on? Like, why is time going so slow? I still have a minute. Whew, whew. Woo! Okay, timer's off. Which one did I start with first? I'm gonna take the makeup wipe and I'm just gonna really just gonna work in between the brows right now because I don't want any product to like stay there for it to have more time to process. I'm gonna just do this side too because this side's making me nervous. I do feel like the Vaseline did help. I feel like it almost even tinted the skin underneath the hairs to kind of give it that like microblading look. And I actually really, really like it. All right, guys, that actually was such a big success. I will zoom you in, but as you can see, they actually look so good. I was so friggin' nervous, beyond nervous about that. And I feel like it really turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below of what you would like to see next. And on Friday, I will be headed to, we are going to Portland, we're going to San Fran, LA, Las Vegas, and then somehow finding our way back home. So if you guys are interested in seeing our trip, then just follow along. I'll be posting videos throughout as soon as I get a chance to edit them. So yeah, until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.